Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this updated home projector. Now several months ago I did another video on a similar projector. It was the previous model to this, and at the time, although I quite liked it, there were some issues with that particular projector. Now I've been sent this latest version and I'm pleased to say they may have listened to what I said, or just other people said, and they've fixed pretty much all the issues that I complained about. So this is the updated version, and it's HD projector, although it is 4K supported. But the main feature is that it actually runs off battery, so you can charge it up and you don't have to plug it in, and it's got 3 hours of life. And when I tested it, it was around about, say, 2.5 hours or so. Perfectly fine for watching a decent video, apart from maybe Lord of the Rings, which is about 10 hours or so. But for most movies, it will be absolutely fine. This means it's now completely portable. Just charge it up, take it to a friend's house or to your own house or party, and you can project your movies or concerts on the wall. Now, one of the main other features, of course, it's got Bluetooth, which means you can connect it to a standard Bluetooth speaker, and then you've got pretty much a wireless home cinema setup. Of course, as the previous version, it's also got all the things you expect, like Netflix. It's got Prime Video on there. It's got Disney. It's just a standard Android device. You've got access to the normal Google Play Store, so you can then download the applications you want. It's also got the built-in storage as well on this, so you can actually download some of your movies and actually store it on the device itself, which is pretty nice. It's got a standard USB socket at the back here, just for copying, connecting to your laptop, and then just copying your files across. It also got a built-in speaker, and to be honest, I found that the built-in speaker is okay, but it's much better to actually pair it with a Bluetooth speaker system or use headphones. So one of the nice things built into this guy is it's got the auto keystone feature, which didn't really work that well on the previous version, but I'm pleased to say on this version it works much better. Just point it towards your wall, switch it on, and it detects the shape and just detects the wall and gives you almost perfect rectangle. So no faffing around at all. You may just have to switch the focus on the front ring here, but other than that, it's pretty much easy to use. Not much more to say. I'm saying it's a little fantastic little device. I personally use it for projecting movies with my wife at home. I'll take her around to a friend's house, and other than that, I think this is a nice buy. It costs around about £50, about sort of $50–60, that sort of thing. Nice little present, or as something to use at home.